are back and it feels really good. But you know what feels better? A road trip. Today, we're gonna be taking the latest Cadillac Escalade IQ for a spin. We're gonna be testing out its luxury, its tech, and most importantly, trying to see how it performs when it drives. Now, this video is a little bit of a surprise. We're gonna be taking a few of my friends on a crazy road trip to Niagara Falls. We're leaving the hustle bustle of the city and going somewhere a little bit more scenic. I want to see their reactions. I want to see also my reactions. But most importantly, I want to see how this all-electric powerhouse performs. You guys ready? Let's get it.
Yo!
What's up, LP?
Such a nice car,
Thank
bro.
you, man. Come on in, bro. It's nice.
So amazing.
Crazy how big it is too. It's
Beautiful.
spacious. Yeah.
Got me coffee.
Yeah, got your coffee.
Wow.
Hey, man. Okay. How are you?
Good idea.
Good, good. LP, how you doing back there, man?
It's amazing. This car feels like a spaceship.
And he's really right. It does feel like a spaceship. One thing that I've noticed that's really standing out for me is this incredibly curved 55-inch screen. This OLED screen is equipped with everything you need. It has built-in Google services, which is amazing, so you don't have to tether your phone. That makes, you know, the process of traveling much easier. It has all your gauge information. You can control music, dials, and everything else you need. Another thing it really has that's cool is that it has a screen for my passenger. So I almost feel like I have a co-pilot here. This car so far feels like it has something for everyone. And I haven't heard a peep from Zane or Emma. They've been busy playing with the screens and everything. So we only have about 35 to 40 minutes left before we get to Niagara. And so far it's been super smooth. So Emma just moved to Canada from France. And so we're going to be speaking to her in French as much as possible. She's teaching me French, and I'm going to try to teach her some English. So my first question for you, Emma, is qu'est-ce que tu penses de la voiture?
Oh.
I hope I didn't butcher that.
It's good, actually.
Je trouve la voiture vraiment incroyable. En France, on n'a pas de grosses voitures. C'est vraiment tout petit, puis on a des petites routes. Donc une voiture comme ça ne pourrait pas circuler dans les petites rues en France. Donc ça, je trouve ça vraiment impressionnant. J'ai jamais vu ça, tout simplement, c'est juste incroyable. J'ai jamais vu ça.
I agree fully. Yes to everything. So Zaina's in the back. I haven't really heard much from her since we started this trip because she's been working. Zaina, how you doing back there?
Good.
Yeah, where you at?
I'm here. I honestly don't mind being chauffeured around. I get used to this little office in the back seat. No, but really, honestly, it's very spacious. I'm getting a lot of work done. I don't feel like we're driving. It's so smooth. Yeah, I love it. It's so cozy. It looks great. I feel very comfortable, and I'm very, very productive. So.
I have to say, the Cadillac Escalade IQ is undeniably bold, iconic, and luxurious, a true statement as an all-electric vehicle. You can tell Cadillac has poured a lot of effort into this, really pushing innovation to make sure the Escalade IQ stands out in a crowded market. One of the most impressive things to me, especially when thinking about day-to-day driving and longer trips, is the range. This fully electric SUV offers up to 740 kilometers on a single charge. So if I really want to head to Niagara and back twice, we absolutely could, with range to spare. Another standout feature is Super Cruise, Cadillac's hands-free driving system for compatible highways. This is something I've personally always wanted in a vehicle of this size, especially for long road trips. And living in a city that's surrounded by highways, it makes getting around way more convenient and stress-free. And of course, Cadillac didn't compromise on comfort in the Escalade IQ. It's incredibly spacious with customizable seating, premium finishes, heated front and second row seats, a heated steering wheel perfect for cold days, and ventilated seating in every single row. At the end of the day, it's clear Cadillac built the Escalade IQ without sacrificing style, luxury, and comfort. And that's something that they've always done exceptionally well.
I'm not gonna get too close to that ledge, but welcome to Niagara Falls. This is one of the natural wonders of the world, and as you guys can see, it's truly a winter wonderland, and I'm super excited to be here. Actually, interesting story, when I was younger, my parents and I, we used to come here all the time, but we'd only come during summer, so I never got to see it during winter until I was like 18 years old, and I came for the first time and I was like, this is actually something really interesting. It's definitely aligned with my personal photography style, which is very moody, dark, and as you can see, it does demonstrate a lot of emotion and character. I'm going to take everyone on another surprise, and I'll let you guys, well, yeah, I won't tell you yet. Follow me and we'll get there.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. Yo, didn't expect that one. Emma, that's America. That's Buffalo.
The way you say it.
This is Canada side and then that's the America side. But we have a better view of the falls.
C'est vraiment magnifique. On a fait 1 heure de route pour venir ici et j'ai vraiment pas vu le temps passer. Il fait froid, mais ça vaut le coup. C'est juste fou, mieux que ce que j'imaginais en fait.
Whoa, that's cool. I want to go there. Bad hair day, but it's a good hack. Are we ready? We'll get to know each other very well. How's everyone today? What would you do?
There's some really cool icicles that are just hanging off of the cliff there. It's really
Okay, let's go to the south of France now.
yeah.
Marseille, anyone? You want to go to Marseille? Ladies and gentlemen, always make sure you bring a friend that brings hand cream with them. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. It's been an incredible adventure and the Cadillac Escalade IQ has done the job for us. It's got us safely here. We've enjoyed the city and now Niagara Falls. And it's all about the luxury, the tech, and innovation that's gone into making this vehicle an incredible ride. So, time to head out and I'll see you guys very soon.
Wait, what about me?